Hi and welcome to this video overview of Wisenet Viewer. I'm your guide Gordon of Hanwha, and I'm going to introduce you to this set of videos detailing everything you need to know to get started with Wisenet Viewer. The first video will outline Wisenet Viewer for a concise overview. Next, there are two operation videos showing you how to operate Wisenet Viewer. The first will outline the basics such as logging in and managing your display. The second operation video will show you how to find and export video evidence. A fourth video will show you how to configure Wisenet Viewer, including how to add your recorders. In this overview of Wisenet Viewer video, we will cover the following topics. What is Wisenet Viewer? What are the features of Wisenet Viewer? And which Hanwha Vision devices does Wisenet Viewer support?
What is Wisenet Viewer? Wisenet Viewer is an operator video surveillance client for use by operators to view, search, export, and manage cameras attached to Hanwha Vision recorders. What are the features of Wisenet Viewer? AI search function allows you to look for detected objects. Fisheye dewarping straightens up fisheye images. The Wisenet Viewer setup homepage with search allows you to find settings with a search function. Wisenet Viewer updates and update server allow you to download updated firmware for your cameras and recorders. Add layout to event action. A layout can display on an event action. Add filtering event. Filtering events allows you to filter to the type of events that you're looking for. Reauthentication when backing up video ensures that no one without privileges can back up or export video by prompting you for a password. Which Hanwha devices does Wisenet Viewer support? Wisenet Viewer version 1.05 supports Wisenet NVRs and DVRs with SYNAPI 2.3.1 or later. It also supports the SPC 2000 and the SPC 2001. Keyboard controllers. Minimum requirements for Wisenet Viewer are Intel i3 or better, 4 GB of RAM, 512 meg display card, 1 GB network port, a display resolution of 1366 by 768 or better. Recommended specifications are Intel i7 or better, 16 GB of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 or better, a 1 GB network connector, screen resolution of 1366 by 768. Supported operating systems are Windows 11, Mac OS 11, 12, 13, and Ubuntu 20.04 long-term service or 22.04 long-term service.
That was the overview of Wisenet Viewer. If you haven't already seen them, go and find the following videos. Wisenet Viewer Operation Part 1, Wisenet Viewer Operation Part 2, and Wisenet Viewer Configuration. Thank you for watching to the end, and I wish you a fantastic day.